Yep, walk on. Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Natural like the banana tree. So we are did the thing. So we are flow, right? So if I first time you watch a channel, yeah, subscribe. You know what I mean? JAMMIWOOD to the world. You know what I mean? Remember we work on JAMMIWOOD studio now. You know what I mean? So be a work on top of work. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Continue watch. Enjoy this. It's for you guys. Burn it down.
I move fast, I'm late to go up on the work, I'm not even can get my breakfast.
Gosh. So wait, how first me see that day shirt day? I wanna buy it.
That day I buy, but I didn't get for sure and I come in.
Well, normally when I buy a shirt, I buy blouse, see me to some friend one time, I buy none.
Sorry about that, man.
Remember that tired and want to sleep. You see that the pants are too tight? Chip. Yo, the pants are too tight, you know?
Let me tie for me, please. Yeah.
Alright.
Look out if you're dead on the line out the door. You find it?
Sit down. Got it?
Yeah.
You love it tight?
Yeah, you want to tie for me?
No, I just make a ball say tight.
Alright, so I'm kind of run later now, so later.
Bye.
Make sure I come back and get my dinner.
That's must come fix. You not even fix good.
Don't fix it then, maybe say no fix good.
Yeah. Now just look at this. So you want to tie sauce, so I will leave it. Yeah, but they're noisy.
Alright,
Later.
later.
Call me next one. Bye.
Alright.
Alright, later. Me want for dinner.
Curry chicken and white rice.
You love corn, you don't want rice. Alright. What time is it? Check up that. Good morning.
Morning.
I just got a computer ready for you.
No problem.
Want a seat?
No.
Morning. Want coffee or anything?
Yeah, man, you can get me some coffee.
Okay. Okay, boss here. I love
This is
you.
very awesome.
Thank you. I did the login already and sign up.
Yeah, I realize I'm trying to finish some work that I have left yesterday, so
Okay.
I work on them now.
Two clients called Miss Georgia and Mr. Spence. I put one of them on line 9 to hold for you. So
I was thinking about going to over the cafe and get 2 sandwich.
For me and you?
Yeah.
Okay.
They can see there's Miss Georgia. She called at 12:40.
So you did left a message and tell her that we'll
Yeah.
get back to her, right?
I did that.
Okay, so get the coffee and come back. Hello? Yes, good afternoon. Yeah. That would I need like 4 sheet apply. I need some nail to on them some of them. Yeah, you would have to pay for workmanship too as well. Yeah. Yeah man, so that would have cost us 75,000. Yeah man. Alright, so let me know when I get everything. Yeah man. Yeah, yeah. Alright. Yeah, me call back. Why are you doing that? Can you see me up on a call?
It's my turn now.
Oh boy, you have to play.
No.
No, not that time. I would have gone work. You have all day, man. You have to finish something.
No, we can finish later.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, so what will you about you?
Look at the time. We not even reach it. Well,
Yes, babe.
I was for today.
Kinda go run late because I work on a project right now, so I stay back and do some overtime.
You cannot run late. I do not run late already.
I deal with a big project, so I have to stay back and deal with it.
Alright then, dating.
I'll be home soon, okay? You're about the night?
Yes.
Where are you about?
Same thing, where time to look bow.
Alright, where you miss me, that's why you call me, right?
Yes. I mean, I say how you don't reach home at any time is very late.
Well, I get a call, so yeah, I show you.
Alright. Something just went off. work for go. So you're tired.
Morning, baby.
Morning.
I'm late.
So you tell me later, so you can't be late last time when I come in.
So when I wake up and I start the argument over last night, I'm explaining to you up on the phone already.
Look here. Nobody come with a story them. Because something is off and obviously something is fishy. Because I never come in that late before. Matter of fact, from other day, me hear you talk about your work, big project. And I come in them the hours day and night.
Babe, listen,
No,
listen.
get up and
No,
touch
listen,
you,
listen.
because
No,
that's
come
what you
here.
have to do,
Come here.
obviously.
Come here.
Just
Let me talk to you. Let me say something to you. You can come over my workplace and you can look upon the work come here. I'm not going to tell you a lie. Yes, I remember, you know, if I don't get these big projects, how does the house gonna have food? How does the bills gonna pay? You know, look on that. Sometimes I go come in early, sometimes I go come in late. So you have to understand. I come in late last night, I didn't even get to hold a shower. When I'm tired, I just come in and I just lie down.
I wanna come in last night, you don't wake me. What time I
Because
reach
you
it?
were sleeping,
Let me
so
ask
I
you a
never get
question.
I don't want to wake you up.
Let me ask you a question. What time I reach in last night?
I don't remember the time, but I know say I reach in and sleep, so I just come.
Late? Late?
Not late. Alright, what time I normally come from work at daytime?
Nobody go right there. You know I'm gonna come forward.
I'm not going to argue because I try to
8:30,
explain
right?
something and you know. So
8:30 or 9 o'clock.
I
And
just
now
be
you
here and
are
get ready
coming
to go to
at
work.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
I'll be here and get ready to go to work. So I'm not going to you're going to make breakfast, alright?
Argument.
You're going to make breakfast?
I'm not gonna make sake of the argument, maybe don't make breakfast.
So do that for me, please, and thanks. And stop arguing about foolishness. Maybe
I don't foolishness.
I sure you never get anything last night, so you wake up and I put some stress on me.
Me not put my stress
You
on
want
you,
to give something in the morning?
I am okay. I am okay.
Sure, so you beg with me?
Me vex today, yes.
Come on, now, so me give some.
No.
Come on.
Tired. I'll clean up all this and stuff now. You know this? No. You don't wear tight clothes to go work. Why? You have somebody who you impress?
Why you always come up with some food?
Me nah come
You
up
have to
with
be
some
somebody
food.
me impress.
But just ask you a question. It's either yes or no.
Yes, you.
Bloody at work.
When I put on a fry yard, so eventually you'll go see me, you're the first person you'll see me. So you
It makes sense of one. Where else you put on the shoes in the house?
You know, go clean up.
So just because me have plenty of time more work for do.
Then shoot please, please. You're general.
Put on your
Yeah, man. May I fall? Yeah, I can't pick you up. Yeah, man.
put on your who you people?
When I answer the phone, you hear me say that.
You said general.
Okay. So that sound like to you.
Come on.
So why you ask me that question?
Just
You can answer.
asking. What's your name generally? Tom?
Harry.
Thought it was deep. Wow.
Bye.
Bye. What's your Yeah, come on, go on. Say, come on, go on. Go on. Me that type of food now? Stop. Later. You have ramping in a man. Me jump off my bed. Bye.
Bye.
What time I come in later?
I'm not sure, so I have
You have a
something
big
to
project
write for.
tonight again, right? Always. Alright.
Yeah, man, I'm okay, man.
Okay. Need any help?
I would like you to call someone.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.
Alright.
The number is in there, so you can call.
Need any more help?
The laptop did you get in the charge?
No, I forgot to plug it in.
No, this is a float mirror, right?
Ooh,
What are you doing?
I'm sorry. The person did the answer.
Alright, if anything, when you call back, you can answer.
Hello? Mr. David?
Sorry. The person, I'm my wife. Let her in.
I'm coming. Right, this way. Hello.
Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
Get a seat for please. How may I help you today, ma'am?
You know, say I want, you know how they call it about 2x4 or whatever. I want to shop more one, bro. Business space. Here you go.
Yes, so you're the one,
Thank you
some
very
of
much.
my worker, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna want to know how much it costs and so on.
So, how much person would you need? And you have the things them already, right? Where you get from order, you get them already, right?
No, that me come go more want know how much the bill cause when I want to know more want like grocery store, one shop like a bar,
Yeah.
and more want one business place like baker or something like that. Some would want to know what I can fit Billy. I don't really know.
Alright, so I'm gonna type up the information on this right here. I'm gonna get your phone number. I'm gonna send you and go to the hardware. So I'm gonna tell you what you need, and then you will tell me how much person you will need,
Okay.
how much person you can manage to pay. So give me a couple minutes and type up it. How long time I see you, man? You still in my place?
I'm not gonna know.
Come on. Alright, so here is it. I'm gonna send you everything in an email, so just type in an email right here so I can send it.
Oh, so it seems like a 40 sheet apply.
You're gonna need more than that, and I'm just putting that to start off it.
Okay.
Alright, so
So you have to send me them and then I go to hardware and get them from there so I can tell you how much workers I'm gonna need.
well, how much workers you can manage to pay?
You can manage to play like 120 or 30 or so.
Alright, so you need them, you're gonna pay them by day, right?
By day?
Or a week. Which one?
Week. Weeks one more better. Like weekend or fortnight or whatever.
Weekend sound better still. But you know say 6,000 a day. So do the calculation and you will know how much is it when the weekend come. So is either you want them
person?
2 times, yeah, 2 times for the week, like if you want them Monday, Tuesday,
No, more them like throughout the week. Every
because
week.
they want to complete
Yeah.
everything soon as possible.
Mm-hmm.
So just do the calculation. When you do it, you just send, if you want to just do everything one time, like you just want to pay the money, you know, without pay for a weekend, I just do everything.
Yeah. What me wanna do is like mother like send over a whole lot of money, like say you forget 6,000.
So you don't want, we do a 1 month work then, right?
Yeah, on 1 month. But even sooner, if you can done as soon as possible.
Yeah, man.
Some would like write one check, some would do how much you forget. Like you're a bigger boss, you have
Yeah.
to split it with them.
Yeah, yeah.
So you give them 6, you like whatever. Understand that more do. More like we can more like we just give them it in your hand raw so. Or like we bring it to you and you pay them.
Okay, no problem. So you can get my account number from the secretary.
Okay.
So just call me after and we set when we start work and everything.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Every day I'm there at this house and they don't boring and nothing to do. You come last time they don't want kids back up. So what they want to come up? Daddy,
What about my daughter? You have to?
they here you know what you deal with.
Let's go in our place, you know. I just come down, you know. I'm going to love to see her, you know.
Oh, you want to see me? Well,
Mm.
alright then. I'm gonna have to wait till my husband come from work. For me tell him say me I come up a country come look for you know. Because me there every day.
Yeah, so
And
what time I come?
I think in the night. Yeah, in the night he will come.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Boss, let me ask you a question. How much treat you, though?
Well, my treat me good.
Make sure, you know.
Yes.
Because I don't want me to have anything, you know, because sometimes me look at argument and thing and want to make sure you show some respect and love, you know.
Yes, I'm do all of that.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds good.
Alright then, so once I leave out, I'll call you.
Alright.
Alright.
Bless.
Alright.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright. Okay. How make I come in so early today? Oh wow! Are you come and ask me where me they go? Me I go with my father. Because him call me and tell me say him there Jamaica. I'm for come look for him, so I'm say alright then. When I come from work, I will tell you because my name will call you one day at work and disturb you.
Oh, so how long you have to stay up there though? Because you know I'm a rider and then I can't stay without you for long.
I think 1 week. Or maybe 6 days or 5. I'm not sure, but the longest 1 week.
Well, to be honest, you know me I don't miss you.
So yeah, smile the first. You won't miss me, yeah, smile.
Well, anyways though, give for this. Tell them to buy a beer. I'll let them come from foreign, but that no matter. Just tell them to buy 2 Guinness. So just call me up when I reach up there.
Alright then. I'm gonna leave out now.
Okay.
Later.
Alright.
Love you.
Love you.
I'm gonna miss you. Alright. Your mom need me so. charge everything. So there you go.
Alright, yeah.
And be safe and keep the place clean and keep the property to yourself until you reach back. Right?
Alright, yeah, see. Hello? Yeah, alright. May I go need if you come over? Yeah man, I think me I go on a 1 week vacation because my wife, she gone up with her father. Yes, her father come from foreign, so she have to spend some time. So I think now me have full time with her now. We don't have to hide and do anything because nobody in the home. Yeah man.
But the day I talk a lot of things about it, but me I said really said the spring. So what where are you from?
I'm from Montego Bay.
Oh, Montego Bay. Nice to meet you again.
Back from the village. Right?
No, stop. So Daddy, me have some question to ask you.
Sure.
Normally, you know, come back to Jamaica so fast. Nowadays, me see you take plane like a taxi. Only time I see you do that unless you greet somebody or have somebody out here. I want to know more
I'm telling you
about
real.
how
You know what say? Meet one little lady and check for her, that's why you see me come out that's so often. And plus again, not even with that. You come out here me I try work on a little house. I mean say, guys, wanna put my house, you can't welcome anytime because you're my daughter.
Well, I guess I'm going to wait until the time is right.
Yeah.
So, just there I'm going to enjoy myself. So, the next thing again I have to say,
Yeah.
me have to go today, me now come back up a yard. Which today,
Yeah.
me I go home because me have a lot of things to do.
Okay.
So, and the next thing, my boyfriend must, my husband must listen right now. So, me can't stay for anything.
Well, that's fine. You know, a relationship go. When two people love each other, them try to want to see each other closer and be together all the time.
That's true.
So, but me right now still, I'm not going to long leave out here still, I'm soon fly out back.
Like how soon?
Maybe next 2 days.
Next 2 days?
Yeah.
So basically next 2 days I'm going to do those spend with you at the time you're there.
Yes, because I have to go back to work. You know the work system go already.
And that's
Let me
nice.
call you and make you know and you know as you jam, you always call you and send you a thing.
Yeah.
So I see anything, not change.
Alright then.
Yeah. So
So basically, you leave a bag in the place and I'm going to tell you hold it for me. So
Yeah.
I'll take it from her and then I'm going to keep going. Let us
Alright.
drink up this first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now waste some money.
no, drink it up because
Babe, stop. God. Yeah, root up the place. Babe, stop. Stop. Hello, Bramson. Come on. Babe, stop.
This really do me? Yeah, woman in that this.
Calm down.
I rap on me sheet.
Calm down, we can't explain.
You can't explain So you see, just because I this here do me gonna do you back. Two can
Do
play
it back,
that
come
game. Let me go. Then move.
Calm down. Listen to me and say, calm down yourself.
Touch me.
Sit down and stand and move.
Oh, you want to
One, me
get
call
touch me
here.
and sit
Listen to
down.
me, say, calm down. What do you mean two can play that game? Don't ramp with me. Me not run them joke there.
But the bunny, I'm gonna burn your back.
Don't run them joke there. Are you gone up and take so long make me do something? You know how long me done here, I want something and me you know there to give me.
At least call me.
Call you never did come down because you're out with your father. So me get somebody else out with me.
Oh, so I read that 10 minutes from my face.
Sit down right as I no move. Listen to me and say, I'm sorry about everything.
Yeah, no, sorry, but I'm sorry, I
Listen,
wouldn't do it.
Listen to me and say, just accept my apology. I can't make up back this to you. I'm really sorry for me. I don't like you catch you or do anything.
Oh, no,
Like,
did I do something?
we never do anything with us the ramp. We never do that and do nothing. Just calm down. You understand what I say?
I'm sorry, this may come back.
So how you never call me and tell me say you come? Or you come back
I
before you
never
time?
have no credit.
Anytime you left, you have to call me. Or you just pop up. Anything where you see, you have to get it. Because you never call me and tell me say you come.
The
Call
Sunday
me
I
yourself.
go burn you.
But who? Burn who? A woman can never do what a man do. Are you wrong? Anything you see, are you cause it. Because you never have to come down before your time. And learn that. Sit down this and don't move neither.
him beat me up.
Why him beat you up?
He beat me up just because I come in the house, come catch him a cheat with woman. And he turn on and beat me on top of it.
So, what may I say to you, say, whose place is it? Both of you rent the place, right?
Yes.
Alright. What you deal with? My daughter call me and tell me I disrespect her, you know.
I never mean to leave, you know.
Roger, what I'm telling man, you respect her, you know, brother. I mean, see, this is calling her room and carry woman in her house, you know, brother.
Sorry about that, man. But me a good man and I can deal with me for man.
Yeah, Bertie, but you can't disrespect my daughter, then you're my youth. I think you love her, you know.
I love her, man. But...
Don't how you disrespect her. Okay, you don't like to cheat on you. You don't like to cheat on you.
No.
So you have to deal with things proper, my youth.
I'm sorry, man. I'm not do it again.
Well, it's up to you if she want to leave you, you know. I don't know if she want to kick you out, that's her problem. But she want to take you back, it's fine with me. But you have to work out something. You see me, I say straight up, I tell her God no. It's all up to she. If she want to have you in her life, make you disrespect him. So, it's all, we can't think for her. She must know. You hear me, I say straight up. You know, I come back here again and...
You're not come back, man. You're not come back.
Alright, make sure.
Yeah, man.
Alright. What do you want to do with him? You want to throw him out or you want to keep him or you want to lick him back? What you do? You want him go?
Nah, for reaching some general, I'm not do it again.
You want to lick him back? No, hold on, that not sound good. But he has to make him go. You don't want him no more.
Mama want to lick him back.
You want to lick him back too?
I fist me and he tap in my neck and my head and he
Alright,
kick
come.
me and he... Why they are deal with me?
Yo, come on, tired, man. Go on out, son. Come on, come
on.
out of this.
Confirm run out of
What do you
my
mean?
place.
You don't talk
I
to
feel
someone.
too away.
I feel
It's
so
all
good.
good, man. It's all
Come out of this, brother. You know? Straight up.
Don't stand here again.
Alright, I'll give it to you and I say if you can come back. You know if you do already. See? Alright. Yes.
Yeah. Alright, later.
Yeah.
No, you're not going to hear nothing me have to say. But I just like if you could just sit down and just make me talk. I just like if you could just sit down and make me talk. Alright, so I'm really sorry for everything what took place today and why you come and come see. Is me this really needs to end up this way just me because me blind to everything you go on. Yes, me because you say any in that work, she say that go pay your father.
Okay, that's not gonna
So,
further.
no, that's what I say no. She say I go pay your father. I just say alright then, I just a bill back little. So I'm there and she come over here and things just take place wrong. I'm really sorry about everything.
Take place wrong. So, explain about the night you wanna come in late. Me there feel like say the work on project which you're not doing. If me never go up on my father and say me I come back down earlier, I'm gonna find out all of this.
But listen, me have to say, through this happen now, you try to add up things and I say, the night me I come in, something I go on.
Look here.
When me tell you say, when I come in late, and me tell you the reason, that is the only reason.
That is
No
the only
other
reason
to
I
it.
still like to me stay there.
I really want you to forgive me though, because everybody need a second chance.
Everybody in the
And I
second
first me
chance.
ever do something to you. You're my wife.
No, maybe the first, never find out. But maybe I'm more than one time. I'm not say, you know. But I just, I say, to understand.
But I really want you to forgive me though.
Only reason, What? That's the only reason why. Only thing I can do for me forgive you is to fire secretary.
Okay, no problem then. You can beat him, go to work tomorrow.
And make sure I don't play with me.
Go deal with it. No problem with that.
I'm not gonna forgive her so quick. When I fire her, China's gonna take time. I build my trust for you. Remember that. You shake your head. Me never know you would have done me all of this. The little time I got up and my father and come back, I see the real you. Just like that.
All I have to say is I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Wish me can make up it back to you.
Do what you do? You must want to be there now because you're on the road all day. And then get secretary again. Things I go up on the road.
Just I walk out the argument.
Arguments, stay there. Morning.
No, here we go. Nobody come too close. Here we go. I do something wrong. You see me? I mash up my relationship. You see me? And no, listen now, don't touch me. You're fired.
What?
Without no paycheck to call me no one problem, so just go on right now.
After we have that a good time there together?
Just no say you're fired.
Alright. Yeah, for me. Just know say Anna the last time you're gonna see me here, see your life here. Goodbye.
You hear me that call? Sleep with that sleep.
I wasn't sleeping, but if we hear what I answer.
Come in on the call because I don't want to use the toilet, so I just run away with the toilet. But anyways though, I have something new to tell you.
Yes, sir.
Fire secretary.
That's nice. But I feel like said, no, I'll go on. Said you're still upon suspension until further notice. Shop is locked.
Really now, babe?
Really no, babe.
You tell me to do
And
something,
the
I'm
same
do
thing
something.
with yesterday when time I walk in for Uno. Really? I tell for you say the word really.
How old I was short for come? I'm just out here sometimes for one thing. Because I feel like you want your own space. Alright?
Shop lock and the key can't find, so we're waiting until we can cut to our next key.
No old I was short.
I'm feeling alright.
Wagwan. There man, you can't come give me a link. Yeah, same place me a stay. Alright, hurry up and forward. Pull in and come in, man. You know, see how commission money you deal with for me. But I don't know if you're available.
No, say I'm a G, you know. And anything you tell me, I'm deal with it fast, is it? So, tell me what I'm going.
You know, say I want you to go on and bridge in them yard. Because flirt with the woman, you want tall, nice, sexy girl over there. But you got the day daytime in their work, so you can't go there anytime. Me I want to set up one little camera, you there if you catch it on, you see me? So I tell you which part the camera they say you can bring her eye direct spot. You don't have to worry about your safety, you know, you're good because man not come there. You understand? I just want to make a girl fall in love. You don't even fall in love, just make him touch a certain place and touch him up. You see me?
Yeah, I understand, yes, sir.
If you want to get a chop out there, you can chop it because I want solid evidence. Because man, their office, you see me office in their work, so you just send it to him on the computer. You don't have to know who your face not have to show him, can block out your face.
Alright, that's your word then. Just send me a location from my phone, yeah? Yeah, man, I'll go over there now, so just send me a location.
You know, so I could have called for anything.
Alright, that's your word.
Alright. The girl there get knocked.
So what me? So you're gonna deal with your hairstyle, or like your hairstyle.
Just have to simple something and do it.
You have a buzz. And this morning me asleep a deal with it. Oh, so differently though. Like how I not go to work today. You see me? I'm just a stay back home for a little time. Maybe I go tomorrow though. I'm not sure, but today me off. You're not doing nothing really today, right?
No, no.
So what about, I know me and you in my grievance, so what about if we can just go out, sit down and have a drink or eat some food and, you know, just laugh and talk, you know, just try to catch up back. I don't know if that could happen. Like you ready to pick up on the road already, man, like you just, you put on something nice because you want me to carry out.
Just not nice. I are close.
Anyways, I don't like we have to spend a long time. And just come on, we just go up on the road and come back.
No?
Yeah, right now. We just go have a drink and come back. Go on, no, okay.
Enjoy that, not to no lie.
That was nice. You never know so you could have taken so much shots though, like.
So the mate starts spinning with us.
How much shots you take?
Around 7. How much I take?
Well, maybe I take a lot, because you know Roman really my thing still, you know, but
Around 3 of them.
you finish eat the food, so you can take all the shots, but we have a great moment still, so
Yeah.
that's okay. Enjoy the moment. No, I'm wife, love. Well, kind of feel like this is still, I don't know if you feel the same way, so I think me have a lie down and sleep.
Good morning. Alright enough, just tell me around one. Oh, I'm Brittany.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, you live though.
Yeah, me and my boyfriend in the inside.
And there.
Yeah, but in my sleep. Oh.
Well, my next door neighbor still, I moved in 2 days ago. So any day there and you're bored or your boyfriend is there, you can just call me about, we can talk about things, anything, you can give me a number. Alright, this is me. Yeah, you see you again, yeah?
Alright. Yeah. Where am I to dinner?
Oh, you papa, I didn't say I was spoiled.
But you also hang out some clothes.
Can't look warm. Rice and turkey. And brown stew.
Brown steel turkey. Alright then. Curry, where I see it?
Can't look boy curry, then anything I hear, child, huh?
No, me look good because that's you want. And you want me.
Alright.
I'm at a football. Wait, this way.
Me, you know, say rain did fall last night. Because the wait up but me working shots and so I feel weird something different.
Push.
Anyways, man, I up on the work and I'm still so that's called me thing.
Okay, bye later.
Alright. Love you my life.
To me. I joke, why? What was on board? Do I joke me and make it?
Alright, later.
You say yeah.
Alright.
Can I carry and I bag them today? Are the officer already?
Oh man, that good man. I just put on the shoes out of her and so.
Alright. Who that?
Me.
Oh.
Mine.
Right.
Just here. Working on her. Just come over.
Oh.
Yeah, right.
I'm good with there.
Let's go.
Sure. Just stay up for it and I'm off to the. Stay up to.
There. You know, make the breakfast yet.
Well, I only did make breakfast with my husband this morning. If I did tell him, I could have left some of mine for you.
Well, no, I said, I come over here to free my mind. I tell you, God, no, yeah, the husband and things still.
I say, no, I'm talk to you.
Well, I'm kind of nervous. So, I tell you the truth. I really like you. And the first time moving over there, so I hear the first person say, but I never see you and your husband. I never know, say, you have a husband, right? So, I tell you, but I really like him. We get to know each other and talk. If you don't really mind.
Well, to be honest, I don't even know what to do because me and my husband and I don't want to give him a bunny really hard. But not even know what to say right now. I'm speechless. But I really like it because I look humble and them stuff there. So
Well, every man cheating, so my time you get to help on the safer side, isn't it? Because you don't know why man do road to road. Understand? So you get to help on the safer side than when you go here say him a cheat, you know, so heartbroken, you understand because you're going to talk to me. So your heart now really broke. You're going to understand. So it's a good thing we do something. They do something so my heart not really broke. Understand? That not really broke. So understand? So if you not do something and you find out at that time you're going to really feel pain.
I understand what you're trying to say and the beliefs are true.
That's
So,
true.
think I'll give you a chance because
Yeah,
you don't even know right to know what to say. But I'll give you
I
a
really
chance.
think like that about it. Think about it.
I think about it just a while ago and I come to think of it say, yeah, I really meant, I really something I thought about, isn't it? So, I'll give you a chance. I'm tell you what I do right now. Alright. But I talk to my husband when he come in and make it could get a job which party in there. A job but I know so you can leave early so you can come check me, which I know same day at work.
Yeah.
So basically would I do that day. So when he come in, we talk to him about yes, I have to say. Then I have a work for you.
Yeah, man, a good idea that because when me and my dear work, I come over and have my little time with them, I'm going back.
That's true, but I put in the work and the words.
Yeah.
So
I'll go over.
alright. Sure.
Let me text you on your phone, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
Yes, good afternoon, how are you doing? Yeah. I think you will have to come to the office, so we can have a better conversation. Yeah. Yeah, man, yeah, the office is open Monday to Friday. Yeah. Tomorrow? Yeah, man, I can afford tomorrow. Anything can come from work early as possible to the right? Yeah, man, so I'm there in work, in the office I do some work, so you can come in. Alright, no problem. How are you? I'm good. Kinda look a bit tired, So me alone there, right? So say, all the pressure upon me,
So me have something to say to you though.
What's that now?
Alright. My cousin boyfriend want a job and they say a short on workers, right? So me they say why not try him out if you can get a spot at where you work or something like that.
So a good youth and everything.
A good youth, me know him well.
No lazy, willing for work and everything.
Willing to work and
I
he's
not
not
got no
lazy.
problem with him.
No. A good youth, me I tell you. My cousin boyfriend.
Alright then, no problem. So you could have come in tomorrow or so then.
Tomorrow I think so. I just link my cousin making tell him.
Alright then. So do that then. I go have a show you. You be there already?
Yeah, be right. But sometimes maybe this morning. I'm never go. Come, I say me not move that time. I'm on the bed all the time.
Come on man, I'll go be there again man. Do you do? Call, make a call and come. Hurry.
Alright. Well, God. So I get through the job for you though, cause no me get through the job for you. The same job I tell you some matter work with my husband. So available tomorrow? Alright then. So tomorrow then, let me see if it start work. In the years I can't talk long for later. Alright. Yeah, I'm not sure.
So what do you to do? Meet me, I officer?
Yeah, I'm meet at the office.
When I get to him already and left out on them something.
Yeah, I'm time for leave out there because good distance in my leave from.
So you say a country you come from?
Think of something like that, but I could you know. Never really ask him where you come from still.
So you say your cousin boyfriend?
Yeah, but me not really like me and him like talk like ask me in personal life. Me know him though. When I ask him like in personal life. I might could have to finish it.
Good man, anything.
You know pin good, the sniffy pin better. You want it up as well?
Yeah, that good.
So no man, that's I said so would I leave out. How can I rush you on the pencil? I could finish it with. I said I'm about me a tight. Tight man. The last one. The one I put.
That good. Later.
Later. Every day we just catch up in a bit, so I can't bother.
Don't worry yourself, man. You're going to let me know. I'm going to take the day off and me go out and things.
Just one time in a week, that's also. But every day catch up in a bit. I feel like I'm a lazy woman, but now I'm not.
No, you're not.
I feel lazy though, that's how I feel.
Later.
Bye.
Come through the general one. Alright, so you need another chair, so get the chair and sit down here. I'll show you some more about computer. Alright, so turn on the computer. So sometimes you're gonna have clients call you, you know, them go on their house to fix. So some of the time them go know how much supply they need and go on know that, isn't it? So you would have be in a second. So like, if me I go on a day off or so, you know, you would have fill in for me. You know, then I have an office phone to so but I left it. So if any one of them call you, you know, say you would have talk to them, you know, you would have tell them how much work they need for the project, how much supplies they need to get a hardware, you know, to tell them the phone bills and all of them something like that. So you have an understanding about everything, right? And the rule is you must not late for my work. If you're half hour late, I understand that, but don't take it as a habit. So let's go on there.
What this man do?
Yeah, man. If you don't understand nothing, you can ask me. Alright, so that is it for today. So, you know, tomorrow you come in again, same time as you forward in.
Yeah.
So, you know, so can't leave, man.
So in the morning, what time?
8 o'clock. Not 8:30. 8. Alright.
Yes, when you start 6, sir, you come in because I'm going to leave the door open, right? You come in on your video. I just set the camera here. Alright, so wait out this one, watch you moving, yeah?
Alright, sit down, sit down.
Your boyfriend know you're not coming.
No.
Tell me, so go on, my dear, and wait for a second.
Oh. So I don't understand why there's a match with your stars like
Oh, sorry. Don't know, nobody seems to about it.
oh, that's the next thing I can.
Wait it, man.
Where they can unless they are boring and nothing to do. You know what you do good.
No, man, you do it alright, man. You do it good.
Alright
Do it
then.
alright, man.
So
You need call, yeah?
You know what to do.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Hello. You come ask me where you there.
No, let's go and feel.
No, but I come back in the hour.
Relax, man. Something important I want to show you.
I want to know what important.
1 minute, just sit here. Close off the door, guys. This one. Come sit down. Think you want to sit down?
Me no want to sit down and stand up. I want to stand up. Me no
Sure,
want.
alright.
You know come. You don't think you want to get comfortable, you know, yeah.
Oh, look at that. And they can't delete it because enough of me and one phone in the pan. So here I want to know. You see like how me catch you a 6 pound bossy and me have a big evidence. Anything you want to do, you have to do it. Give back the phone too.
So I set up thing.
You set up thing. And you fling down yourself to man for man lay down by you. I never me set him up. I'm sure me I go show your husband no. Now show me wicked girl where you be. Cause you go on like you're nice.
No, please, not show me, I beg you, please.
Alright. What you have to go do now for me not show you? I will see laugh. Everything just can go on like nothing happen. They just see me, can't smile with me. Just tell the boss if you re-employ me. Yeah, just that. And it's a video gone, no stress, nothing, I promise. Just make me get back to work. Else, me I go show him. You want me to go show him now?
No, me I do it. When time you come in later, me talk to you.
Make sure you know.
And please not show me, I beg you.
Make sure by tomorrow you call me or by tonight you call me and say, I want you to come back.
Just not show him, please. Me I beg you, please, don't show him. Don't take me to talk to him.
You don't look sorry but me I'll give you a chance. You see, if you don't call me by tonight or later this morning, just know say me a send it on your phone. Don't feel like say me a joke.
Alright, may just talk to me and come forward. Just please, me I beg you, do.
Like it too, you know. And what you do, you have talent. Keep it up. Later.
Okay, this step on me. See that the boy there?
You just wake up.
I'm here asleep.
You know what come and left the place.
Because I up on the bed and asleep.
First, me come home and say you afraid of bed door because you always come and see the place stay same like come and left it. So now the place full up. I think I did a ramp or something. But anyways, how was the day though?
It was okay. But everyone said I have something wrong.
I'll fix the sheet man, the bed done pull up already man. I'll pull up here again now.
Not now.
Why not now?
Because I'm just really not in the mood right now.
What you do today make you look so tired?
Just sleep, just wake up as you tell.
I'm dinner already as it today, a whole day I'm dinner already. Whole day I sleep. I left here day
Just
time,
stop, alright,
come
me
back and
here.
come again.
Me have something to talk to you about.
What you said?
Alright, you what if you can work with her, right? I'm gonna go back to country.
Yeah, you come work today. I'm
Okay.
sending home.
I'm gonna go back to country.
So, you can't come work tomorrow.
No. So basically what I'm trying to say is
So why you making
So,
why you
so
make
listen
well,
to
no,
me.
why you make me give a personal work when I'm serious? Why send him more come today then
Indeed,
he can't
see,
come
no,
tomorrow?
indeed.
You know he can't get no pay then for that, right? He
well,
can't
if
get
so
no pay.
be the case, well, no paid in, but I guess you have to go take back your brown girl.
So you tell me if you fire my secretary and now you tell me to
Because I have no
re-employ her.
other choice.
Like, I don't think that is a great idea because I don't want the problem again when she didn't know through something happen one time, you're good like a feast and me and
No,
you do
look
something
here.
a
I
second
just
time.
you if you know yourself. I know you trust you. If me never see all of that, mother still have trust for you.
So you tell me say you want me to get her back for work with me, right?
You can get her back for work with you, but no distance around her.
Alright. I'll call her then and tell her so to come tomorrow. So what me I go eat for dinner? That me not understand.
Me just look about something, you know what you want.
You know me want. If you're there the whole day, you know, call me and ask me what I want. It's like you're there sleep out the whole day. And I like with sex last night for your time. Hello? Hello? Yeah, you know some other one if you come in tomorrow though, regular time, 8 o'clock. Yeah man. Alright. I feel hurt still enough to know some come in and I get my dinner but okay still. I'm cool off a bit.
Alright, differently.
I'm good. For the simple.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Let me ask you a question. Why you not wearing them the clothes that go work?
Sometimes I have to change up the style. No matter me, I'm my own boss, so I can wear anything I want to wear. Go work.
Yes, sir.
But most of the shirt them dirty still. You know, I need more shirt. But I have a couple of them, but most of them not dirty clothes basket. Like, can I get the time to wash them? So I go up on the work. And they make me no breakfast. I'll get breakfast on the road, so I'll leave 1500 around there and I get breakfast. But make sure it's my dinner, I'll come back and get it. Here?
I'm tired.
I have money in a jar, take out 1500.
Alright.
So later. Alright.
So what about my lunch?
Lunch, start cook dinner early.
So we don't eat the same thing I eat for lunch dinner?
Expect the unexpected. See you later.
Yeah. Stay there. I make extra $1,500 for my lunch.
No, I see you in Ghana, man. You're good. So you know, make breakfast.
Not yet. I think I'm just going to do something.
You can make some breakfast, man. No.
Well, when I think of breakfast time, I'm going to think of sex time because waking me yesterday was very powerful.
Really?
Yeah?
You know, so you kind of tired too. Seriously.
So you see, I've won. Open it. Never was spread up in like here.
You just read up a bit.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm not really there for a long while today, you know. I understand.
Okay.
I'll go up on the road, go deal with something. So I'll go left here if you deal with some work. So I'll go back home. If you realize I'm not really wearing no work clothes.
Yeah. Can't
So-
do everything, man.
Alright, so I'll go back home now. Because I'll go up on the road today, but I not tell my wife. I'll surprise her. So I'll go back home now.
Okay.
So just organize everything.
Yeah.
See you there.
Let me see how they're there.
Alright. I just got to keep it on.
No, come on, where are they now? Come out of the place, man. You ain't say you're gonna country, man, you. How you even know which family live? What you do over here?
I'm tell you. Are you mean go and check?
Oh, you have to check me. You
I'm
know,
gonna
say,
everything
listen,
right
man.
there.
You know, say, you some day daytime on my office. So, what you do, you so?
No, I think they have 2 years and I'm going to take day off in a week.
When I sit here yesterday in the day of work, I say forward back 8 o'clock tomorrow, man. That simple mean I
Yeah,
get
but
it.
me there go and check.
So, no country, my wife tell me, say, yeah, you have some emergency. So
Yeah,
you can't
yeah,
come
me
out
go
this
and check
morning.
me and go and tell you what going on.
Mayo, listen me now, man. Make this be the first and the last you come through the door here. You see, next time me see you through this door here, I got a problem. Left.
I'll check me
Left.
just still find out.
Don't check me again. Okay, now work for me again. Hi B. Hi B. All along me out there so you hurry up and spread up your bed. All along me out there so you hurry up and spread up your bed.
Let me explain to you.
How in a smell so?
How?
How in a smell so like you and the youth that sex?
Maybe you
Tell
never
me the
did
truth.
anything.
Are your cousin boyfriend?
I'm a cousin
Your cousin
boyfriend.
boyfriend. Listen me now. I'm lock it out. Oi, stand up better. This morning when me a go, what me say to you? You ask me why me a wear this a clothes. You know normally say me wear them a go to work. Say to you say expect the unexpected. You never know somebody that come from Rex early though. Me no wear no work clothes. Listen me now, more here. No, tell me the truth. Because the youth tell me, oh, this is sound of sex. So tell me the truth. Don't tell me no lie. Can't tell me this is sound of dust done sex.
Remember, some tell you two can play that
Oh,
game.
two can play that game.
You do it to me, I do it back.
Oh, you do it back. Me now go put my hand on you, you know. You know what me I go do? They took this place for 2 hours. So here what I go on and now. We're done. I'm on divorce. So you can go on, go there with your cousin, boyfriend. And your cousin can share him. But done. But just know say this place, I have to get my money out of it. You hear me? I say so I go leave you for to enjoy your life. I want divorce with them, you not married anymore. Okay. You're not my wife, okay. Me and your husband. Okay. And I say you really did want left, so just done a relationship. So. Understand? That's why yesterday I come the bed, pull up, and you tell me about you sleep all day.
I was sleeping
I get
all
an
day.
intel, but don't worry yourself.
I don't worry myself.
Continue to make your bed pull up. But just
Continue
make sure
with the
say,
secretary.
may I come with my
If you
lawyer.
want to do something before you reach
May I
here.
come with my lawyer.
Okay.
And I need my money out of this place. So much money I spend. And every money I spend on you, I need it back.
You can't get back
all
that.
the breakfast money I give this morning.
The breakfast money
Because I
you
give you
this
breakfast money and another man can fetch out the breakfast out of you. And that's why yesterday I not get forget my dinner because you have sex all day. So just make sure I get all of them money there. I come with my lawyer. I don't talk to you.
Go on for your lawyer.
See you on the next side.
Come on, I want to make it to the last half, right? Well, the to be continue. You know what I mean? To be continue. So this movie go continue. So we'll just give the first part now. Look out for the second part. You know what I mean? Like, share, leave a comment. So never give your family and friends. You know what I mean? Because we are fight the war. Obviously, we continue our fight to ensure so we entertain. So the more people can get for watch it and the more views you can get and the more subscribers you can get is the more encouragement. You know what I mean? Because them say, where go? Certain things encourage labor. I don't know. I don't know what them, you figure it out. Because I know some not smart people. Be smart people that are watching movie them. You know what I mean? Big up to all of the people that will support them. You know what I mean? That movie is sponsored by, you know, Empress G. You know what I mean? Empress G make it possible. You know what I mean? To send a donation as a fire. Do the movie, you know what I mean? And push it out to the world. You know what I mean? So we do it. You know what I mean? So Empress G, big up herself, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? All as I do it. Go back to our channel, same way. Subscribe, like, and watch out her things them because she have good, interesting way to make even ice cream, to make different type of cakes, make different Jamaican dish. You know what I mean? So just in case there you had one day you want to fix up something different, you can go to our channel and find ingredients and how to do it and how to do this and that. Make your own ice cream too, you know what I mean? You know what you put in it, you know what you put in your body. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. She have it over there, man. Whole lot of things over there. Natural way of do things, you know what I mean? Natural remedy for different stuff. You know what I mean? Empress Tree TV. Go over there. Burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Big up everybody in the world. You know what I mean? Big up to all of my people that want to watch it, to pick up all the people that see me in the street and say, fire! Burn down, big up to all of the kids them, because when you see me, them, I say, yo, fire us, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? But don't light your house though. No light up, no fire. Let me do a light burning. Burn it down. You know what I mean? Take what you take and go do what you do. It's a joy always working for you people, you know what I mean? Because you people, we people. You know what I mean? So when the whole of we work together, I work. So support I one day, you never can tell. I support back you because I support the culture. You know what I mean? So anyway, take it. It all work together. You know what I mean? It's not who I help, always help me. You know what I mean? So, and it's good. You know what I mean? It shows a life. It's like that. It shows that we are all connected. You know what I mean? So this is life itself. You know what I mean? So find love. You know what I mean? Within each self. You know what I mean? And push forward. Because it's the only way forward. Love is the only way. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Bless everybody for every part of the world. You know, we are trying to do our best in what we are doing. So you'll find a problem now and then. So when you see the problem, then give thanks, highlight it. But no say it's a work in progress. You know what I mean? We don't have the things that we want yet, but we're working what we have. You know what I mean? And sometimes with limited resources, you don't get to express yourself so much in the movie what you want to do. But as we go along, we always look for the next big female actress, you know what I mean, who really want for it. You have a lot of people come at times, but sometimes them goal is not to be number one. Them goal is to different thing, you know what I mean? We're not at a place where we're making a bag of money. We're not, you know what I mean? It's show business, so it might look like that, but it's not really making that. But it's not that it's not gonna make it though. But we have to take it and make it a priority for movie industry to be number one. That's what I'm fighting for. That's why I'm not too worried about the money now. Because I know if it really work out, it's $1 billion business, everybody at Jamaica can alright who involved in it. You know what I mean? So if we kick back and lay back, no work not gonna go on because Jamaica only produce like one big show every 20 years or every certain type of year. So we are working on one big show and now we'll try to put a local resource. We're not doing nothing really, but we'll check some people who have businesses and do them sponsor. The move we're going to do now is going to be strong in all of the content. Them now go up on YouTube because the content type go too sexual, it go too violent, it go too much in every local department. You know what I mean? So but it go nice. It go too nice. You understand? But we go figure out a way for you, the fans, can get access to it. If you put it on CD and ship it to you, we go get it. You know what I mean? So it go work. So don't worry yourself about that. But we work on that though. That's the work in progress. You know what I mean? So, burn down to the ground. You know what I mean? Take what you take and go the way you do. Blessed. New month by tomorrow, you know what I mean? So time I fly. You know what I mean? Let's go. Burn it down.